Good morning, greetings and salutations, you guys. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the Thrift Vlogs. I don't know how many days this vlog is going to encapsulate, but like once I have like enough like interesting vlog footage, I guess, then that'll be the end of it. So it could be 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or the week. But I'm starting off today in the car. Today was actually the boys' first day of school. And I didn't vlog it because it was like kind of like very crazy this morning. But it was super cute. Kid had to leave at like to go to school at like 7 a.m. It was super duper early. The two boys left at the other two, Liza and Zach. Yeah, Liza and Zach left at 8. Kate already came home because he had a half day and he really had a lot of fun, which was awesome. They're picking up the other two boys right now. It's about 3:30 right now. I'm gonna head over to the post office and I might go to Lineage Trading. Veterans is closed today, so I can't go over there. But also, another turn of events. Remember when I told you guys that my car had the check engine light on and I brought it to get fixed? It was, it needed an oil change because there was like literally no more oil in it because there was like a little hole somewhere and the oil was leaking out. Well, the light just turned on again and it's only been like 2 weeks. I don't know what's up exactly with the car and I have an appointment to go back again tomorrow. So I'm gonna bring my car tomorrow. I'm also gonna bring the Suburban tomorrow to get an oil change as well. And it also has like this weird thing with the door where the door, like the driver's side door, keeps saying that the door is open, like it's unlocked, even though it's closed. And I don't know, like I think like it's because someone like I think someone tried to break into the car once and like try to break the keyhole thing. And I don't know if that's what it is that's causing it, but I have no clue. So, but that was like a while ago. Anyway, that is pretty much the update for right now. So I'll see you guys again in a second. Just got to the post office. Alright, we just got to Lineage Trading. Let's head inside really quick. Again, I'm not going to bring you guys in with me, but I'll show you guys if I get anything cool. Alright, you guys, didn't find anything at Lineage Trading, but I just got to the Goodwill. Let's go inside and check it out. Haven't been here in a hot second, so hopefully we can find something cool today inside the store. Okay, gonna check out the handbags first. This is a Michael Kors. A Vinted, like an older style Michael Kors. Whoa, 129? I don't think that's written from here. The sticker got ripped off. It's meager pickings, you guys. Let's check out the rest of the store. Some chickens. Vases, a bunny rabbit. Webster Wilcox. Some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle stuff. Flower. Ooh, these are kind of cool. Certified International. Harmony House, Fine China. They're kind of pretty, made in Japan. Oh, these glass plates with the apples. Those are fun, little heart plates. Ooh, wait, hold on, I see some blue and white plates. But these flower plates are kind of pretty too. They're bomb. Are they like Bomb Bros? Bomb Brothers? Bomb, blue and white. These are cute though. They're like different patterns, I think. I don't know what they do, but there's only like 5 of them. How much is it for the set? I don't think it's says. Why is this tote kind of cute? Except it looks like a dog bit it. The queen has spoken. This might have been a dog bag at one point, but I love like the print and style of it. Oh, it's a Brighton. So cute. But yeah, something attacked it. There's this bag right here, which is leather. The 80-20, I don't know what that is. We have a Nike backpack.
Attention Goodwill shoppers, just as a friendly reminder that the colors of the week are yellow
Banana Republic, $11.99.
25% off.
Ooh, look at these.
In addition, today
Those are
is
fun.
Military Monday. If you have served or
Okay, so they have this Dooney, but this one's 80 bucks. And oh, the strap is inside. I mean, it's in pretty good condition, but maybe when it goes on sale. You guys, this bag is actually half off today. Okay guys, I'm home now and I watered the plants and we had dinner, which was delicious. Mom made, it was a shrimp with, what is it? Asparagus. And then she made this chicken corn egg drop soup, which is so delicious. And I think I'm gonna have another bowl of that. And then she also made this beef with onion kind of thing. But right now I'm cleaning the stove. I know it looks messy, but I sprayed it with like a degreaser. So I'm letting that sit for a second to like get all the grease like softer. I also sprayed the grates or whatever. And I have a package that I think I'm gonna open with you guys while I wait for this stuff so I can finish cleaning up in the kitchen. And before I turn on Narwhal, because Narwhal's a little loud. So let's do that. Okay, let's do this unboxing thing. Okay, so I have the package right here. Let's open up. This is actually something that I got for the live sales. So if you guys don't already join the sales, they're so much fun. I have them every Friday and Saturday night at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. But, alright, opened it up. Here it is. Oh, this one's cute. It is a Fendi flat crossbody bag. It is in fantastic condition. Oh my gosh, it's super duper cute. So it says Fendi made in Italy right there on that little tab. It has this like antique brass hardware. It says Fendi on all the little hardware corners. The strap is Fendi all over. And then here is the serial number right there on the inside of the bag. It's really cute and it's in really good condition. This is a vintage older style, but it is in pretty great shape. It has also here is the little serial number and the holographic sticker on the inside. On the front, it just has this open pocket right here that has a Velcro, and then a zipper pocket right here, which, ooh, that's actually pretty deep. It might actually fit your cell phone all the way inside. So that's really nice. Or you could put your cell phone in the little Velcro pocket, and then this part is just open. So, ooh, this is so fantastic. So this will definitely be in the live sale on Friday or Saturday. Just needs a little bit of a cleaning. It just like looks like there's some dust or something inside the fabric, but other than that, the corners are in great shape and I'm really excited. But right now I'm gonna finish cleaning the kitchen, so I think I'm gonna end today's vlog here. Ooh, so I guess everything was filmed in one day. So today we did a couple things. We went to the post office, we went to Lineage Trading, went to Goodwill. Didn't see anything in either one of the stores. I didn't end up getting that pink Dooney and Burke bag because it was just a little expensive and the style was kind of like and it was pink, so it was just like I don't know, but let me know if you guys like it. Otherwise, I'll pick it up and see if they still have it there next time I go back. And then today was the kids' first day of school, which was super duper fun. The kids loved it. They all had a great first day, which I'm very excited about. I was a little worried about Eliza because he's never been to regular school before, like in person. He's just used to being on the computer, but he had a great day. And he said he saw some of his friends from Zoom class in his, I think 2 of them are actually in his class, so that was really, really fun for him. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I love you guys so much. I'm going to be listing a ton of new stuff too in the Depop shop. So go check that out. I'm going to list a ton of stuff throughout the rest of the week. I have so many things and I'm like making a resolution to myself and to you guys. I'm going to list a bunch of stuff in Depop. So go check it out. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Alright, bye!